Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the nmcli command. This command is a command line tool for controlling Network Manager and getting the status of network interfaces. The name stands for Network Manager Command Line Interface. The nmcli command can be used to query network connections and devices, like so. This output shows the system's Wi-Fi connection along with its bridge, that's used for local connections through hardware addresses, along with other connections either not in use or not managed by Network Manager. Another view of network connections that shows what type of connections are enabled is like this one. You can see all the Wi-Fi enabling messages right there. The next command provides information on our active network connections along with the IDs associated with those devices. Here's the IDs in here and the device types and device names. If you want to see a lot of details on your network devices, use the nmcli device show command. Looking at just the top 10 lines of this output, you might see something like this. This particular output tells us that the system is using a Wi-Fi connection and shows us the assigned IP address as well as the hardware address. If we instead see something like this, like these lines at the top, we know we're instead using the Ethernet interface. Well, that's your Linux tip for today. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.